Six little ducks that I once knew, fat, one skinny, one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, 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 quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack.
Eno ye Annie Show ku Delta TV.
My name is Nyawere Jane. I'm the head teacher of Winston Day and Boarding Primary Schools, and Winston is one of the biggest schools among the 10 Sapolokagwa schools. At today's event, as a Sapolokagwa fraternity, we always organize what we call an annual event. And for today's case, Winston has shown to the parents what we call a sports day activity, and more so to the lower section. Lower section begins from baby, that is kindergarten 1, up to primary 3, according to our setting. We treasure this infant section so much, and we believe that tapping the talents of the young ones begins right from that age. That's when we can identify and build on their talent. And we prepare them in a way that they are able to meet the challenges in the future. Please don't look far. Our office is open 24 hours from 7 up to 5, 7 days a week. We are always down to earth and willing to offer you the best service that you deserve.
Ochalaba Annie Show ku Delta TV.
The game starts. We are looking at a person who meanders around all the jugs with the lollipop on. That is number 1.
The babies are moving with their lollipops.
Look at the person who
to make sure that the lollipop does not fall.
Them on red, oh yeah.
Red, oh yeah. Yellow.
Red, oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen the talent? You hold the lollipop, you meander around the jugs. You watch us this weekend on Delta TV, the school's program. You're yet to see our primary 1 superstars with the game ball lowering as the P3s are getting ready for water bag balance. Clear the field if you're not a participant.
Team number 2.
Receivers, you should be very vigilant. The thing is, a person who comes with water on the bag.
Healthy mind.
The game we are yet to see is not who comes first, but we are yet to see which child comes with all the school items in the bag. They know the school items. Parents, you pack the items daily in their bag.
All the colors are ready.
The teachers,
yes,
wow,
the game
starts. Watch your child, the game starts. Cheer up your members.
Yes.
Color members, green, I'm not
watch the color members.
Red,
yes, yellow runs to the table. Yellow runs to the table to sort out. Green and red. Join the team.
I love the red color.
Blue doing their best.
My best.
Blue also
Without
doing
blue,
their
I
best.
don't sleep.
Yes.
We are
They
looking
sort
at
out
the child
school
who is
items.
first with all the
Yes,
school
yellow
items.
is already on the other side.
We are seeing the yellow
Yellow is on the other side.
Blue
Who
are
goes
getting
next?
ready.
Red follows and blue and green.
Field, you're not a participant.
Yes. Red is still sorting.
Check your seats here to check the school items.
We are waiting for blue also to join the
I
team.
can see the girl in the red color, slow
Yes.
but sure.
Blue is trying the
Slow
best.
but sure. Remember, we are checking
Yes.
out for all the school items.
Yes, red runs to the
Slow but
chair.
sure.
Red runs to
Now,
the
our
chair.
receivers, be more vigilant.
Yes, blue.
Looking at the
Also
child who
join
has
the finishing
all the
team.
school items in the bag.
Also join.
Kindergarten 1 children. School items.
Go and sit there.
Kindergarten
Pick
two,
a ring.
you should be ready with
Pick
pick
a ring. Pick a ring.
Uchalaba Ani Show ku Delta TV.
Kindergarten 3. Pick a ring in progress. Very interesting. Very interesting game. Yes. Who finishes fast? Who picks all the rings fast? Yes. Competition is very stiff. You look at each here, you remember. Great.
Look at the talent.
Them start.
Look at the talent. Look at the talent. The children are winning. We are looking at the talent.
Yes.
The race begins.
The game
Race
starts.
begins.
The game
Race
starts.
begins. Cheer up your members. Please,
Tunnel race.
parents, cheer up the children. The game we are watching is
Yes,
tunnel
the
race.
game.
Blue, red,
Yes, the game started. The game has started.
Please, parents, release all the children. You're holding our participants and the games are not moving on. If
What
you're a parent
sharp
and you have a
brains.
child, please release that child to go back to the tent.
Sharp brain.
Go back to the tent if you're not a parent. Go away from the parents' tent.
That is a game for intellectuals. Sharp brains. If you don't have a sharp brain, you can't risk playing that
The game
game.
is Sharp Brains by our kindergarten 2 children. Please, if you're not a participant and not a receiver, clear the field.
Yes, sharp
If you're
brains.
not a participant and not a receiver, clear the
Sharp
field.
brains.
Support from your tents. The next game is chair dance by the kindergarten 1 children. And the game is he or she will take the lead of the Sharp Brains game. KG1, you should be just ready at the starting point with chair dance.
7, 8, 9, 10.
So color green has 10 balls. Let's witness
the
the
next
blue
color.
color.
How many?
Yes, let's begin. Who is counting?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Yes, they also count
Look
10.
at us in our primary school sports day. We have Western Pacific, Kawanda. The head teacher is present. You're most welcome, dear. We have the head teacher from Little Stars Nursery School. She's also present. You're most welcome. This is what we call teamwork. You cannot win if you're one school and you work alone. You can never. But when we work with other schools in your area, you win. That's why you have our head teachers from other schools present on our celebration of the Sports Day 2019.
Our chief guests are ready to show their talents in many activities. And our teachers, they are best to train. Yes, scramble for the fittest.
The parents watching.
Blue, where are you?
Green, oh yeah. I love you.
Uchalaba Ani Show, Kudelta TV.
Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Yes.
Someone is missing out. Someone is missing out. You miss out, you lose the game. The game
continues.
The game is Sufyan, you miss.
Yes. You miss a hook.
Oh,
miss the game.
Cheer up, we still have more
Miss the game.
participants.
Let's
You
cheer
lose
up
a hook, you
participants.
miss the game.
Those who have missed.
Green, oh yeah! Blue, oh yeah! Red, oh yeah!
Yellow, oh yeah. The hopes are less.
Our parents, you're most welcome. This is Winston Day and Boarding Primary School. We are a member of the Salapolo Kagwa schools. Our theme today is a healthy mind in a healthy body. Without teamwork, no success. You work as a group, you take the lead.
Show that our children are healthy.
Ochalaba Ani's show ku Delta TV.
Can see a male parent just ready to win, but I
Yes.
wow!
100 meters. Yes.
Ochalaba Ani Show ku Delta TV.
Owa Parliament owa Bugiri Municipality ate omuzadde wano ku Winston Primary Boarding School. Ndi musanyufu nnyo olwa Sports Day olwaleero. Abaana booleseza ebitone ebyenjawulo era tuli basiimu ng'abazadde bwe tuleeta abaana baffe mu basomero tuba twagala baweebwe emikisa okukulaakulana mu by'amagezi naye ate ne mu bitone nabyo birungi nnyo eri eggwanga kuba tomanya omwana kyajja okubeera mu future n'olwekyo kiba kirungi nnyo okubeera nti baweebwa emikisa egy'enjawulo okwolesa ebitone byabwe nga kye tulabye wano olwaleero. Njagala kukubiriza abasomesa n'abakulembera essomero enteekateeka eno bagyongeremu amaanyi ebitone by'abaana babitwale nga kintu kikulu nnyo ne mu programs ez'enjawulo bazifunire obudde obumala abaana basobole okwolesa ebitone byabwe ebyenjawulo mu nteekateeka eyo. Basaalirwa Asumaani omuzadde wano ku Winston ate member wa Parliament owe Bugiri Municipality.
Ochalaba Ani Show ku Delta TV.
From the activities you've seen so far, I think you've enjoyed all the things you've seen at the sports day. I think you've seen the sports day, the different activities they did, the parents versing with the teachers. I think it has been so fun for you. Yes, people, I want to encourage all, mostly on this sports day. It was my first time to see the female parents more than the male parents. So I'm encouraging all the male parents to come on sports days. It's not that if they call you for a sports day, it's a punishment. Please come. Remember, right now you just formed me at school, but of course I have to carry on with my talent at the same time, education. And of course I encourage all parents out there. I know some of you think that if a child has a talent, that child, he or she won't concentrate in books, but that's wrong. I do concentrate in books. So right now, I think this is the time I can say goodbye to you, but before saying goodbye, I want to say greetings to everyone, to all the viewers watching us on Delta TV and TV show program. I want to send greetings to the people in the editing room on Delta TV, thank you so much. All the presenters on Delta TV, thank you so much. All the people who love me, of course, Gospel Girl, I salute you wherever you are. Yes, right now, this is the time I can say goodbye. I remain your girl, Rocky Miguel. Delta TV to Kolei.
6 little ducks that I once knew. Fat one, skinny one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with the feather on his back, he led the others with the quack, 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 quack. He led the others with the quack, quack, quack.
Ochalaba Ani Show ku Delta TV.